Ndewono. Hello. No. Welcome. Ahambo Ifi Okiche, the owner of Preserve Our Heritage, where our goal is to help you to speak and to understand the Igbo language. Today I have my students here with me, and we're going to continue with the alphabets in the Igbo language today. Today's alphabets are Gi, Gbi, Ri, and Gwi. A word that starts with Gi is
Gary food.
Good job. Gi, Gari, which is a type of food. The next alphabet is Bwi. A word that starts with Bwi is
Bonye poor.
Good job. Bwanye, poor. The next alphabet is Yi. A word that starts with Yi is Rota or Roro, which means to pluck. The next alphabet is Gwi. A word that starts with Gwi is
Gungovo, which is truck.
Good job. Gwi Wongworo, which means truck. For more updates like this, don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.